Today's June 20th, 2022. It is Monday. It is also day 133 of Blender, and today I'm going to try to replicate my mic, which I'm using actually right now so you can hear me, because my sister wanted me to. So, yeah. The only thing is I can't do the texture here at the top, so I'm just going to get the shape of the mic. So I'll start with the cube, right? I'll do Control 2 to smooth out the curve. Make sure that this is off. Okay, Control 2. To add a subdivision surface modifier, and that'll turn the cube into a UV sphere. Okay, now I'm going to go into edit mode by pressing on tab, face select top left corner over here, this little icon, select the top face, G for grab it, and then Z to grab on the Z axis, which is the blue axis, and then do Control R for a loop cut, drag all the way up, Control R, hover over an edge, and then drag all the way down. Then probably do Control R maybe somewhere here, and then maybe select this face here at the top, and then let's see, add a bevel. It's not gonna do anything. Let me think. Press the button under the escape key and hover over front, and then that should bring us to front view. And then I'll do Control R, which is another loop cut, and then kind of do Alt Z to turn on my X-ray. Then do this and maybe scale it. Now it looks like a flashlight. And do another Control R. And then here at the top, we could do another one, and then just, nope, Control R, do another one. I just need it to be round at the top. Something like that. And then Alt select GZ. Bring that there. Then maybe scale. Control R, loop cut here, take that, scale it, maybe not. GZ, Control R, take this to the bottom. Could have done that at the top. Alright, and then extrude GZ. That's so ugly. You know what? I'll just do Shift A, cylinder, scale on the Z axis, scale on the X. And then object data properties, whatever I did on the X, I'll do to the Y. And then at the bottom, select the bottom face. I will scale that. Nope. I'll do Control R. First of all, escape key, front view, Control R, hover over edge, bring that down, and then select this face and do that. Right, something like that, and then extrude something like this, the scale on the X to be something like that, or maybe, actually it's not like that, it's actually like that. Alright, and then that should be that. Right click, shade smooth. This point over here should probably be a little less weird. So I can add a subdivision surface modifier, apply that, maybe do another one. Nah, it's weird. Alright. That's so bad. This is so bad. Okay, I messed up. Let me do Control Z 5,000 times. Alright. Go to front view. I shouldn't have done this. I should have just done like a ring. I do Control R, bring that down, and then maybe select everything here, scale that this way. Oops, I forgot to do Alt Z. And then this. What the? that when I take away any lighting, it glows green, which I think is pretty cool. Because we gave it a surface. By we, I literally just mean me. Like, I don't know why I always speak like this. I gave it a surface of emission so that it emits light, right? And we can control the strength that it emits. And then in render properties, I think if we go to ambient inclusion and turn that on, it has to be an Eevee though, and bloom. We can talk about the intensity of the color. Hold on. But I don't know if you need a light, and a specific light for that. Oh, there we go. Ew, oh my god. Yeah. Let me not turn that on though. But here's the thing, I don't think emission is gonna work if I turn it to cycles, which is what I like. I always like rendering cycles because it looks much more realistic. You know what the Shift A, light, sun. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, just gonna select the backdrop, S and then X to scale it like that. I'm gonna hover over here, right click, and then join areas and just do that. And then I'm just going to do Control-Alt-0, and my camera should align to my view. And it's actually Control-Alt numpad 0. So I have to emulate my numpad because I don't have a numpad. So just kind of play around until you get what you want. To escape that, you just click on the middle mouse button. Okay, kind of like that. So I'm just render. Wait, before I do that, let me go to light paths and render properties and change the direct lighting to 10 and the indirect lighting to 4, and then render image. And then we'll see what we have. Oh my god, no, don't tell me. Why does it keep doing that? I need it to be GPU. Let me cancel this and then render again.